Large open floor plan featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, private pool, high ceilings, granite kitchen, all located on an oversized 0.38 of an acre lot with beautiful trees. Welcome to the rolling Clermont hills of Crescent Lake Club, offering its homeowners a private boat ramp and fishing pier onto Crescent Lake, accessing Clermont's chain of lakes, perfect for boating, skiing, and fishing. Inside, engineered wood flooring spans from the front foyer, living and dining rooms, and into a huge family room with high vaulted ceilings. The family room is accessible from the primary suite and bath, kitchen, 3 other bedrooms, 2 additional full baths, and the patio pool area. The large kitchen features granite counters, plenty of cabinet space, a corner pantry, and an adjacent dinette with large windows, allowing plenty of natural light. As a split bedroom plan, the primary suite features beautiful engineered flooring and an updated bath with a large double vanity, corner garden tub, separate shower, linen closet, and huge walk-in closet. To the left of the family room, you will find bedrooms 2 and 3, each a great size and share the updated second full bath. The closet in bedroom 2 is huge. It's about 5.5 by 14.5. To the right of the family room is the 4th bedroom and 3rd full bath. All of the bedrooms are of great size, larger than usual, and feature ceiling fans. The 3rd bath also serves as a pool bath for your visiting guests. Outside, the large 11 by 29 covered patio is fantastic for year-round enjoyment. The pool features a pebble textile surface, water features, and a new variable speed pool pump, installed in October 2020 for energy efficiency. The backyard is deep, with plenty of room for outdoor fun. Nearby new shopping and new restaurants are popping up all over.